All right, so a few things I didn't get a chance to finish on the Bobcat compact track loader in that long video I just did. So I've got a few more things I'm going to try to finish up today, including doing some clean out of the HVAC system, new filters, some safety equipment I'll put in, and a power toggle switch just to bypass the backup camera system so it won't drain the battery at all. Anyway, that and probably a little bit more on TWC Projects. Welcome. Let's get started. Good. I originally thought about putting it on the outside somewhere, but then I figured the weather and the sun would just beat it up too much, as well as if there's a fire and I'm inside, I'm going to want this thing as close to me as possible. So I think that'll work out well. I wish it was a little bigger. I don't think I can. I mean, this cab is just so tight. There is no place. There's almost no place anywhere. The only other option would have been to put it back here, but I want to mount this little box up here so that I have some kind of a little glove box or tool, you know, something to put some tools in or whatever, because there's just no room in this cab at all. It's super small, but you know, it's meant to be compact. That's the whole point. So not complaining, but I am really happy with how the camera turned out. You saw that switch works really well. I flip it on and there's a little light up there to help. I got one with a light on it because I wanted to remember it before I got out that to turn that off. You can turn it off here too, but then it's still drawing a little bit of power. So I wanted to make sure that I completely bypass the power, so there's nothing now. So, all right, I think that's it for tonight. Tomorrow we'll get into the rest of it. Yeah, one other thing I wanted to show you before I forgot about it. I didn't record it, but I wanted to show you how it turned out. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, there we go. So this is the flasher on the right side, the back of the dump truck. Somehow, at some point, I hit the other one and took it clean off. You can see the skid marks here as the thing broke off or came off. Never did find it. There was just two wires hanging out of there, but I was able to get a new one, put it in there. Fits really nice. With silicone and everything to keep it completely watertight, as well as, you know, the heat shrink on here. That turned out really well. So yeah, there you go. So I thought I'd share that with you too, since that was one that I didn't record, but I had told you that I was going to do it. So at least I got to show you the end result. All right, so I think I'm finished with this project. Most everything went really well. One little miscalculation though, which resulted in the broken handle of my fire extinguisher holder. What I didn't realize is when you raise the cab, it kind of shifts forward a little bit. And so when it swung up and just caught this thing and broke it off as I lifted the cab up to get underneath to clean out